7 o'clock ng gabi. Tingnan nyo, maliwanag pa. Susundin namin si Beth sa work niya. Let's go! Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on! Come on, come on here!
It's so scary.
Where's Liam? Wow! 30 minutes to ride. Ito yung hospital na pinagtatrabahuan ng kapatid ko. Luwang pala, no?
Ito na yung ER nila. Ay, ER. Nilipat na. Dati dito. Dati dito.
Ito yung ER nila. Luwang ng hospital.
I lived home here like 3 times since I had a.
Ang laki ng hospital nila.
It's even bigger when you look at
Nasa
it.
labas na nga.
Nasa labas na nga siya eh.
So big. Wow, it's so big.
Oh,
Can't see.
ang luwang. Ang laki.
Ayun na siya.
Asan? Asan?
Ayun na.
Ayun.
Pasok mo sila karot ah.
Worcestershire. Dito nagtatrabaho yung kapatid ko. Yan. Ang luwang. Pakalaking hospital naman ito. Yeah.
Ah, finally. Fresh air. 3 times.
Pasok tayo. Da? Ito pala yung hospital ng ng UK. Saan ka?
Hematology.
Hematology?
She does.
So pharmacy is upstairs.
Yes?
Ang luwang, no? Hapakalaki.
What? No.
That's my ward. Laura 3, hematology.
Ha?
Hematology.
Ah. Ilang to? Floor?
Sector 2. 2 floors. Nice.
2 floor, pero sobrang...
Oh, sorry. Thank you.
Ano siya? Yung pahaba, no?
We're going to the restaurant.
Nice.
It's closed now though.
Come here.
I want to eat.
Mukha kong haggardness. Pagod.
From 7 to 7.
7 to 7:30.
7 to 7:30.
12 hours.
12-hour shift. Ito yung restaurant nila.
Because you have to clean the table after you eat.
Mag-ano ka, kumuha ka ng ganun.
Yeah, she don't breathe.
That's it.
Ang
Our
luwang,
restaurant.
May playground din sila dito sa hospital.
Ayaw, don't know. Oh,
Napakaluwang.
Go to Amy.
Ilang hectares to?
can we have a look?
Yeah. Oo. Ang luwang, no? Laki.
Dito pag may mga like x-ray dito magtutulak yung bed sis. And that's the machine to help push the bed. For you to be able to get into the rooms, you have to scan your badge, your ID, to access it. Yeah. That's it. Otherwise, you can't enter.
Where do we go?
Haggardness. It's gastro before.
Weren't we just,
Gastro before.
weren't we just here?
It's gastro ward.
Where are we going now?
We're going home. The boring home. The one that is the one and only boring home.
We're going na.
The one that we call it boring home.
Layo.